We are back with hopefully a redeeming unboxing video. If you saw my last one, you saw that I got a new style card holder from Louis Vuitton that was just not it at all. It was really weird looking and kind of looked very messy. So that did go back, but I'm excited to unbox what I think is Louis Vuitton's best kept secret for SLGs. So stay tuned for the video if you are ready to unbox it with me. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, this is about an SLG that I've thought about it before, but I kind of put it out of my mind because it was almost impossible to get for so long. But one of you, actually a couple of you on Instagram had messaged me after watching my last video on unboxing the card holder with the gussets in it from Louis Vuitton and seeing how poorly it was structured, and told me that this might be the perfect item for me to supplement for smaller bags, instead of using the slim card holder, which I told you, even though it's a great item and I highly recommend it, I don't like my cards being seen all the time, and I need to fit a little bit more than that allows. So I went ahead and, honestly, luck of the draw, I don't know what happened on the LV website, but it was available, and so I added it to cart, bought it right away, and it's a really affordable price in Louis Vuitton standards for what it is. So let's go ahead and open this together. We have a cute ribbon, and I did order this online and it shipped wrapped with a gift tag and all of that in there. So, and it comes in a cute miniature dust bag, and it is the as it's stuck in here, it is the Louis Vuitton business card holder in the leather black empreinte with the monogram embossing on it. So okay, so for background, I have the Chanel card holder. I actually brought it out, and love this card holder. I actually truly use it every day, but I wanted a smaller, slightly thinner option, and this has stuffing in it, so it's gonna be a little bit skinnier once, because I can feel the stuffing in there, once I take that out and put just my cards in. But I wanted another option for smaller bags. Now this is a really comparable SLG to the Chanel card holder, but half the price. This actually retails for $360 US, which, if you guys look at any other wallets, for example, the card holder that I bought in the last video was $675 or something, which now thinking about it seems crazy. And then I think this one's $675 as well. Sorry about that. But yeah, so this is a really simple wallet. It doesn't have as many pockets as the Chanel one does, but what I liked about it was that it was black, super simple, and I already know how well and hard wearing the empreinte leather by Louis Vuitton is. But what I liked about it was that it has a one card pocket in the front and the rest is just open, but it's really, really small. It doesn't open as far as the Chanel one does. The Chanel one opens pretty far, you can see that. This one just opens like that. So it's a much more slimmed down version, but it has the same concept, which I like. So obviously you don't need both, but I've been carrying miniature bags around recently, and this one, even though it's great, I hate having to stuff it into a bag. Usually it doesn't fit well, but also I don't want to scuff it up or scratch it. So to have another option is great. And for the price, I think it made a lot of sense. Plus, it's kind of hard to get. So once I saw it, like I knew I just needed to have it in my collection. It goes with my other Louis Vuitton Empreinte bags, like my bum bag or my on the go. So yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm very impressed with the quality of it. It looks like it's made out of just like one piece of leather. It was made in Spain. And for the price, I mean, I don't think you can beat it. So let me know what you guys think about this item. I truly think that this is one of LV's like best kept secrets for SLGs. Like this is a great item. It's leather, it looks great, and it's like very functional. So yeah, I'm really happy to have it, and I'm probably just gonna like take it out tonight. So as always, thank you guys for stopping by my channel and unboxing another item with me. If you hadn't heard of this item, now you have, and maybe it will fit into your bags or your collection as well. But if you guys have any questions, I will definitely be showing you what fits in this wallet versus the Chanel one on my Instagram at Decor and Designer. I'm very active on there. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a DM on there. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.